And Luigi Mangione back in a federal New York courtroom today as his federal and state cases are now moving closer to trial. We're getting there. He's accused, of course, of gunning down a healthcare CEO in front of a Manhattan hotel back in 2024. 2 weeks ago, Mangione's defense team said he was under extreme emotional distress at the time of the shooting and then indicated that they may pursue a psychiatric defense. But his attorneys withdrew that plan just days later. Mangione's state trial is now set to begin in September. We've got NewsNation's Marcus Espinoza outside the federal courthouse in Manhattan for us. Marcus, court now done for the day, we understand. What was decided during today's hearing?
Hey, Laura, good afternoon. All systems go for this federal trial is what we finally figured out here. So we have a January date where this is going to take place, but there's a whole lot to break down before that. So let's go over jury selection because there's a lot to figure out. This is going to be an extensive process for both sides here, as there are more alternates than traditionally expected in a case like this and a whole lot of other things. So jury selection is going to be extensive. In-person jury selection will begin on December 5th after the judge said it was simply impossible to commence jury selection while Mangione and his legal team are in the middle of their state trial, which again starts in September. Before voir dire on January 5th, prospective jurors, they're going to be administered a questionnaire. The judge drafted a proposal, and both the prosecution and defense team said they were in support. Judge Garnett said this would eventually be released to the public, but she is not releasing it before it's given to prospective jurors. They're worried about a leak there. The judge also decided this jury will have 6 alternates. She said that this is a high amount for what should be about a 3-week trial, but that it was, quote, sensible given the high-profile nature of this case. Mangione now has pleaded not guilty in both cases after he allegedly gunned down UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson on the streets of Manhattan. Mangione faces up to life in prison, of course, in both the state and the federal trial. Laura?
Marcus, any further planned hearings before the trial begins? We've got this big gap, and maybe there's going to be more?
Yeah. So we have the state trial right in September, and the federal judge here, what she's doing, I think, is very smart. Both sides agreed here with prosecution and defense. They're setting time aside for a November pretrial hearing, where basically both sides are going to come together and bring up any sort of questions or concerns they might have before kicking this thing off with the jury selection process that I just laid out for you guys there. So they're going to have one final opportunity before this federal trial kicks off in January to answer any sort of questions both sides might have. That's going to be the last chance, it appears, as of now, for both sides to get their ducks in a row. We perhaps could have concerns brought up from the defense and the prosecution in light of what takes place with the state trial. So certainly they're going to have reactions to that. We'll see what happens there first, but they're going to have that one last opportunity in November, and then it's all systems go for the federal trial as of now in January.
All right, very good. Marcus, you and I are going to be very busy in Lower Manhattan covering this,
yes,
both of them. Thank you very much for that update.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.